All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start your day, whatever time it may be. In this vid, we're gonna have some fun in the 2-valve, hopefully. Now, if you guys have been keeping up with current events, this car, I mean, it's acting up, kinda. But let me go ahead and show you guys something that's pretty interesting right now. All right, so if you guys are unaware, this car had, I guess, the forbidden soup. Ooh, yeah. Look at this. Honestly, it looks like condensation. I don't know. You know what? I'm probably just gonna, I'm not gonna clean the cap off because next week I'm gonna get everything situated. I need to get this like professionally drained out. I don't know. As you guys can see, previous video, this thing was full of coolant. Now, I mean, I don't know if it's condensation, but I literally just let it sit for a little bit, for like a day, over a day, and it's literally all gone. So that's incredibly interesting. I don't really know what's going on here. Let's hope it was condensation, but go over to the coolant reservoir. I think this is definitely blocked because this has a coolant leak, but it's literally full in there, so we shall see. Let's get a cold start and fire her up. I get third gear lockout when it comes to downshifting. Oh, what is going on right here? Oh my goodness. condition to go down there. I'm not gonna take the 350 down there just because I'm not really trying to take the 350 to a city that I've never been to before. It's technically Dallas 2K this weekend as well. You know, there's too much temptation. I'm not gonna do it. Plus that car needs a clutch anyway. This car, I mean, realistically is in no condition to race. As much as I do want to go race it, I mean, if it was out here, I'd fucking go do it, but it just doesn't seem like it's a good idea to go ahead and do it out in a city that's like 4 hours away. And also, my mom's coming down to visit this weekend, so it's not like I would have had time to go anyway. I kind of wanted to go, but damn, dude, I really wish this car wasn't acting up. Or it could be fine, I just, you know, it's all in my head, but I'm not too sure. Woo, my clutch is making all types of noises. I might open it up right now, actually. Let's see if I get the lockout. I don't know if I'm gonna get a lockout here. Nah, I'm not. Let's see how it feels. I mean, it still feels pretty good. It still feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It still feels pretty good. I took that to like 58 or something. Well, the Challenger's out today. Been seeing a lot of Mopar recently. Second gear, it didn't even let me go to third gear. I just got straight locked out. So at least I confirmed that it's 100% the clutch that's acting up right now. 100%. It ain't the throwout bearing. Look, oh my God, all these pumps are down. What the hell? It ain't the, hold on, I know how I gotta go here. It ain't the cable. Could be the throwout bearing. Bro, are you shitting me? Are all of the damn E85 pumps down at this station? What the fuck? Hold on. This can't be real. Yo, they're all fucking out, bro. Are you serious? Oh, this is bad. Okay, so I gotta go to another E station. Bro, that's annoying. it's feeling nice though. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying. I can't even get it in third gear. I'm getting straight locked out. So I know for a fact it's the clutch. But this thing pulls like a damn train from second gear. Oh my goodness, it pulls like a train. Too bad. And it spins bad. Oh my God. There's a Gen 2 Mustang on that trailer, but it's kind of unfortunate I can't do any second gear pulls. I mean, I wasn't doing those anyway to begin with because I knew for a fact the car wasn't gonna hook. I mean, these Toyo TQs, don't get me wrong, they're good tires, but I know the limitations. If I want to do second gear pulls with this, I gotta put like an ET Street SS or an R on this car. But this thing pulls like crazy from second gear. Like crazy. Maybe if I went ahead and hypothetically you know, switch to a T56 Magnum, which realistically needs to happen, and I were to go ahead and maybe gear it with 331s and do second gear 60s, this thing could be ridiculously fast from a 60 roll. That might be the move, honestly, thinking about it. It kind of would have G50 gearing, honestly. Second gear 60 rolls, potential to do 60 to 130 in one gear, third only. That could be nasty. Woo. But yeah, I gotta be careful, man, because that's exactly how I blew my the clutch in the white car, doing second gear pulls. So this car, it needs to stay away from that until I replace the clutch. But at least I know for sure, because I really wasn't 100% sure if it was like the throwout bearing or the clutch that was causing my issues with this rattle as well as the lockout. But I can 100% confirm that it's the clutch. And it is technically boost weather outside, so it's not getting hot or anything, it's just on its way out. Obviously, boost weather, the car is going to be making more power. This thing is, it's feeling good, I ain't gonna lie, it's feeling really good. Those second gear pulls were some of the nastiest pulls I've done in this car. Granted, I couldn't go to third, but it felt great. Those third gear pulls felt great. I mean, you guys have seen the performance of this thing. It is definitely, it's not fast, it's quick, but it's not a slouch, I'll tell you that. I wouldn't say it's fast. You know, we gotta get need another 150 horsepower, then I would consider it fast for the weight, for sure, but it's quick. Definitely not slow. Whew. I mean, my temps are fine, man. Not overheating, nothing. And also, I have not drained the coolant yet. I've just been too busy. Literally, I took the car out today to go to the store, but I'm not gonna make it to the store unless I go get gas. So I need to go get gas, and that E-station was closed, so that kind of sucks. Guys, I literally don't get this car. Now it's not making the noise. I literally don't understand what's going on here. The car is not making the noise now. Oh, there it goes. When I put it in the fifth, it makes the noise, but dude, I don't understand. This car doesn't make any type of sense, man. It literally doesn't. But it still pulls hard as fuck. Hey, look, that's that 2 valve for you right there. These 2 valves, look. Part of me wants to rebuild this thing, I ain't gonna cap, because hey, these 2 valves, they just keep going, bro. Knocking on the plastic, man. Like, part of me really just wants to just put another 5.4 in this thing, because they just keep going. All right, so I decided to not get gas at that station. I don't trust that E85. I just did what I had to do and came home. So let's go ahead and take a look underneath that cap. Actually, you know what? I mean, I don't smell nothing. I don't know, this car don't make no sense, y'all. Still feels like it's pulling hard too, so it is what it is. I need to change the oil on that Procharger as well. Yeah, this hasn't gone. I'm not hearing any fizzing or nothing. I don't know. This thing is this thing is something else, I'll tell you that. Actually, you know what? It probably won't matter. I'll probably just pop it like, just pop it right now. Not that bad, honestly. It might honestly be condensation, or it could be just like a slow leak. I think it might be a slow leak, or it could be condensation. Because I didn't really take the car out that long. And theoretically, like, it only got to operating temp like once because it's cool outside. Well, actually, no, it got to operating temp. You guys know what I mean. The fans didn't kick on, so I was literally pulling it in. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep just full stint in this thing, but I am going to go ahead and drain that reservoir because it's pretty interesting what's going on right now.